sure, this is I think it's the 43rd annual sheet metal competition, and they're holding it in Kingston this year. So we've got all the guys together out, all the locals out of Ontario to compete against, well, all the best apprentices out of the locals of Ontario to compete against each other. So today we're building the memorial train that's down by the water there.
This is the Ontario finals for sheet metal. We do practical, and we do theory, and we do pattern drafting.
Well, this is a great avenue for our apprenticeship programs to get their skills and their talents out so that we can share that with their community, that we can publicize the abilities that our members have. This group of apprentices have studied for a long time to make sure that they have the proper skills, not only to compete here, but every day on the job. So it's the apprenticeship training, it's the in the classroom training, on the job training, all that to provide our customers with the right skills and assets on the job so that they can be productive for those customers and those contractors that are employing them.
I got my start through Local 30. I was hired as an apprentice, and yeah, I've made a career from it now. You get to fabricate everything. You're starting from flat. Everything's three-dimensional. You have to be able to understand, how to flip things around and view them from a different point of view. So it keeps my brain busy. That's why I like it more than anything. I never realized actually how much was involved with it until I was involved with it. So it's kind of, I don't know, I think it's worked out in the better for me.
Not just like what you see on buildings and whatnot, it's everywhere. And we get a chance to showcase like that. It's not just ductwork, it's, you can make all sorts of stuff out of this stuff. It's fun working with different metals and whatnot, not just galvanized steel.
I like seeing a beginning product to a finished product. I'm on the roofing side, so stuff you see that floats around, you see it all, and when you see it, you drive by, it's a good feeling. You feel good seeing everything, especially once you get onto some higher scale projects and you see things. And driving downtown Toronto, countless things I've seen that previous to me, and it looks cool. You see it, you feel good, saying that's either me or one of my fellows. You meet all kinds of people. It's like some for the better, some for the worse. And you meet them, you realize everybody's good, you make the best of it. You see everybody's smiling, everybody's here to help everybody. There's no one left alone.
It gives you a lot of options of what you want to do. Like what we're doing in the competition is just one aspect of a huge industry. This being copper is something relatively not always done in the trade. However, I do know a lot of people that do it, but it's mostly roofing and stuff like that. Ornamental copper is more things people do on the side.
Really, it's a lot of just general stuff that we do in everyday line of work, and just to put it all together and make something a little bit more challenging, it's a little bit fun, nerve-wracking, but fun to say the least.
You have a young group of men and women that are really looking for a career. This is a great opportunity. It is so diverse. You can be in the shop working on fabricated material. You can be in the field. You can also be in an office where they are CAD drawing, 3D drawings, and coordinating all of the structural steel, as well as all the other mechanical devices that are in the ceiling. You can also be out balancing. We don't walk on a job site anymore and go up to a thermostat. We go up to a digital device, and we key our laptop in there. And we make sure that whether it's a tablet or a laptop, that system is functioning properly. So it is from anything that you want to be. It is so diverse that you have the greatest opportunity to have a fantastic career. And it's not just a job, it's a career. And the ability to have health care and the ability to have pensions so that you can retire with the same lifestyle that you did while you were working.
It's just neat. Like really, you can make anything you want out of metal, like absolutely anything. I like working with my hands, so you're in a shop working with your hands all day, it's a good time, right? And it feels good when you look at your finished project and it came from scratch, right? So it's pretty sweet.
I'm driven myself. I like to do well. And I guess it's the satisfaction at the end of the day. You put your fittings together, you put your pieces together, put something nice together, ship it out. You know the customer's gonna like it. That's what drives me for sure.
must know that it's hard work and it's hard labor. Nothing is easy. Everything takes time and patience. And if you're under the clock like we are today, it really takes a toll on your mind. But you just got to stay focused and get it done. That's the main concern.
I'd like to tell these guys, thank you. These guys are the best of the best. They've all competed, they've prepared, and they're here representing their local, their region. So it's not just the day-to-day, the on-the-job training. There is so much that they have done to prepare in the classroom, in the shops, and in the fields to make sure that they are the best of the best. And that's what this industry needs. We need the best out of all of our members, so that this industry will continue to grow, so that we have better opportunities for the next generation of sheet metal workers and roofers. And these guys have done a real good job. It's after work, it's after classroom time, and it's the preparation to be here, but it's all representative of their local union, and they're here with pride, sharing that message on behalf of their entire local.